sugiru. We use it when talking about time passing, having too much of something, or going past a place. 過ぎる。時間の話、量や程度の話、場所を通り越すときに使うよ。It is an ichidan verb used both as a main verb and as an auxiliary after verbs and adjectives. In simple terms, 過ぎる means to go beyond a limit in amount, to pass in time, or to go past a place. 限度を超えたり、時間が先へ進んだり、場所や目印を通り越したりする意味だよ。A single kanji means to go beyond or to pass. You will see it in kako, which talks about the past. You also see it in tsuka, meaning passing through a place. Remember it as the idea of moving beyond a point. Time flies. 時間が過ぎるのは早いです。時間が過ぎるのは早いです。I ate too much and now my stomach hurts. 食べ過ぎてお腹が痛いです。食べ過ぎてお腹が痛いです。This shirt is too big. このシャツは大きすぎます。このシャツは大きすぎます。It's past 10 o'clock. 10時を過ぎました。10時を過ぎました。The most common synonyms of the word are 超える and 余る。超える overlaps when something goes beyond a limit or line. 余る overlaps when there is more than needed and extra remains, while 過ぎる is broader and also works with time and places. The most common antonym of the word is 足りる. It means things are sufficient or just right, while 過ぎる means they go beyond what is needed or beyond a point.